Welcome to today's video. We are doing the first ever free garage sale. We are giving away $20,000 worth of free product. We're gonna take you guys along for today's journey, and we're gonna show you guys the step-by-step process on how we were able to get all of these products completely free, and now we're giving them away. Let's get into it. All right, so let's cut the fluff and BS. What you just saw in that intro is 100% real and actually happened. Yes, we got over $20,000 of free products sent to us, and we didn't know what to do with it. So we thought, let's give it away. And it's all thanks to what's called the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, that's not even the best part. We got a bunch of free products, but we also get paid to make these videos. And every time somebody watches them and buys the product, we get a commission. So in this video, I want to break down the entire process on how we actually got the products, how we actually get paid, and why we gave them away for free at the end of the day. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. I'm about to blow your mind. So let's jump into my screen and first give you guys the perfect foundation to actually understand how we go about getting brand deals or free products from Amazon sellers. So right here is a product listing. And let's say you're looking to buy a lav mic. You're going to see all these photos, but as soon as you click on this little video icon, you're going to see that there's videos for this product. And this is from the brand. But then right down below, it says related videos for this product. And you're actually going to see a video from me wearing this same exact shirt. I don't think it's the same hat, but I'm talking about this product and I'm giving my honest review about it. They're super simple, easy videos. You literally take your phone, you talk about it, you then upload it. It doesn't get posted to social media. It gets uploaded directly here to Amazon, to a product detail page, where if somebody watches this video and then buys the product, I will get a commission. And this single product has made me $500 plus, which is absolutely insane. And so brands are willing to basically send you products for free in exchange for videos just like this. Now, the golden question is, how do you find these brands? How do you reach out to these brands and how do you collaborate? And that's what we're gonna be showing in this video. So now that you guys understand how that process works, we're gonna come over to what's called creator connections. This is where the magic happens. This is the secret sauce. This is the gold mine. And if you are doing Amazon influencer and not leveraging creator connections, you are literally leaving thousands, and in this case, $20,000 plus of free product on the table. And then in addition, you've got a ton of commissions that you're also going to get on top of that. And so right here, you're going to go to Creator Connections. There's almost 400,000 campaigns where brands are basically creating campaigns and saying, hey, I have XYZ product. I'm willing to give this percentage. If you make a video, talk about my product, generate a sale, we're going to give you 15% commissions. And sometimes you can make up to 35, even 50%. So as Amazon influencers, we typically make anywhere from 2 to 4, but Creator Connections, we make 10, 15, 30, 50% commissions. Plus get the product for free. So now let's take a step back and you're probably like wondering, okay, Trevin, this seems too good to be true, and I get it. I just showed you a crazy intro of us doing a free garage sale that actually happened. We'll throw B-roll and show you guys the entire event. We had almost 500 people show up. It was crazy. So I just want to come back to reality and let you know that yes, this actually is true. It's not too good to be true, even though it kind of sounds like it is. But anyways, we'll dive into it and show you guys. Now, the magic of how we do everything is with a tool called Viral Vue. It's a software for Amazon influencers and Amazon affiliates that helps you find products, automate reach out, and literally systematize the entire business. I'll put a link down in the description. You guys can get a lifetime 10% discount with code AMZ Champion. So I'll put that in the link. But what you're going to do is once you have the extension downloaded, you're literally going to come over here to Creator Connections, and it's going to take you to this page. So from here, you're going to click Open Product View, and this is where the Viral View magic happens. It's going to take the products from that page and sort them from best to worst. Or in other words, find products that have really high revenue, 23,000 or 69,000, and we've got one competing influencer video. That's the secret sauce, is how can we find products that nobody is making videos about? Because if you find products where if we sort this from highest influencer account to lowest, you're going to see that this particular product has 516 influencer videos. This one has 506. And if I was to go and review this product, the chances of me making commissions on it is very, very unlikely. And so that is where you can come right here and you can sort this and find this product like this Elevate Super Water beverage that is doing 70K a month, and you would be the only influencer on that listing. Absolutely insane. And the campaign commission rate is 50%. So Viral Vue is going to help you find the best products. And then from there, it's going to automate brand reach out. And you're going to see this little send icon right here. And this means I already sent a message to this brand, which I intentionally sent them a message because I want this product. Not only does it sound good, but it also has insane potential. And so what you can do is you can come over here to this edit template button, click edit template, and you customize a template. You add a placeholder of ASINs, and this is where Viral Vue is going to basically auto-populate that ASIN specific to the brand that you're reaching out to. And so you can literally mass reach out to a ton of brands. And this is exactly what we did to get over $20,000 of free product sent to us. And not only that, they're the best products to review. And then Amazon is paying us those commissions every single month. It's really, really cool. So I'll show you guys exactly how this process works. So let's say I want, it looks like we've got, I'm not sure what this is. It's like a filling cream. I mean, why not? It's doing really good revenue. I might as well review it. We've got these turmeric supplements. If we scroll down right here, we've got this pull-out cabinet organizer. I can click on that. So I'm just clicking the checkbox of products that I'm like, okay, this sounds interesting. And then I'm going to, we've got some Zesty Paw salmon oil for my dog. That's something that would be great. Maybe you got this, I don't know what this is. It looks like a shower head of some sort. We've got this, again, this pull-out organizer. So we got a few, and then I'm just going to hit send message. And from there, it's going to automate this entire process and send messages to these brands. And then they're going to respond to us and be like, oh yeah, I'm interested. What's your address? And then they'll send us the product. And so literally in a matter of seconds, I just reached out to 5 brands, requested for the sample. And then from there, I'm going to wait inside my messages and wait for them to respond. And then depending on what they say, I can give them my address and they'll send me the product. So it's a really cool, easy concept using Viral Vue. If you don't have a tool like this, it's basically impossible for you to do this manually. I mean, you can, it will just take you hours. And not only that, you won't know if the product is actually good and worth your time. And so not only does this help you save time, but it's going to help you find the best products, save time, and help you make more, plus get you more free products. And it's been absolutely insane to see the people that are using this strategy, how many products they're getting, and not just any ordinary products. People are getting saunas, massage chairs, speakers, like it's gym equipment, like furnishing entire houses by doing exactly this. And so that is kind of the first way that I want to show you is automating the process through the automated brand reach out tool using Viral Vue. And there's a few other ways that I want to show you guys, give you guys as much value as possible. And that is coming to Amazon and searching for a product that you are interested in, or maybe something that you need. And this is something that we need. We have too many toys because we get so many toys for free. I have a 2-year-old and our house is crazy. So we need a toy storage organizer. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to search it. Then I'm going to come over here and click on the Viral Vue shortcut, which opens up product view. And again, from here, it's going to sort the products from best to worst. And I'm going to see the viral score. I can see, okay, this is the 30-day revenue. This is the competition that I'm dealing with. It literally breaks down everything super easy for you. And what I'm going to focus on is creator connections. So this is a little secret hidden data point that allows you to basically know, okay, these products are inside creator connections. And if they are inside creator connections, the brand is way more willing to work with you because they want the videos like I just showed you right here. These videos that influencers make right here, this is a video that I just that I made. Brands want those if they're in creator connections. And so right here, you can see there's quite a few. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be like, okay, this product looks like I'm interested in it. It doesn't have the best viral score, but I need it. And if I need it, well, I might as well try to get it for free because I don't want to pay, $100 for this. So I might as well go get it for free. So I click right here. It takes me to what's called the campaign details. And it's going to take me to the campaign page where I can literally click message brand. And then from there, I can reach out to this brand. And what I'm going to do is I already have a custom template. Again, this is all built within Viral Vue. I can click this template that literally says exactly what I'm going to say. I'm going to come back over here and get this ASIN just so that they know what product I'm talking about. I'm going to paste it right here and I'm going to hit send. And just like that, I can reach out to a bunch of toy storage brands and request for their products because it's like, hey, I want this product and this one right here, I would love to get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this ASIN first. I'm going to click on this. It's going to take me to the campaign detail page. From here, I'm going to hit message brand. I'm going to use this shortcut reach out that's going to paste the template, and then I'm going to come over here and copy that ASIN right there, and I'm going to hit send. And just like that, I am able to reach out to a ton of brands. Now, this tool does a lot more than just that. There's a lot of other things, like you can create a brand deal. So I can come over here and it's like, okay, I want to create a brand deal for this, reach out in 5 days or whatever I want as a note. I hit create. And just like that, I created a brand deal that goes into their web app where you can literally organize and facilitate all of your brand deals. So as you're getting 10, 20, 30 packages showing up on your porch, you have a place to organize everything. So there's a lot that comes into play when it comes to using Viral Vue, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to reach out to brands using Product View and using their automated sender. Again, you can only do this inside of Creator Connections. And then when you want to search for a specific product on Amazon, you search for it, then you open up Product View, you filter out from Creator Connections, and then you click on this, it will take you to the campaign, and then you just automate outreach. So easy. And that is the exact process on how we got $20,000 of free product. Again, I'll put the link down below. If you guys have additional questions, I do have a lot of videos talking about this topic on the channel, but the Amazon Influence Program has changed our life, and I know it can change your life too. So take advantage of it. There is a literal gold mine right in front of you. You just need to take action, implement those simple strategies, and you will have a lot of free products showing up on your porch. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.